Amazing. That's great. So initially a worklog entry would have taken me, a couple of minutes to do, and that just was a quick 30 seconds of verbal information. It picked up everything I wanted. That's awesome.
That's right. Working on this platform we call BusMan, which we use to manage worklogs. Right now, it's all done manually, but we wanted to see how we can use ChatGPT to automate adding a worklog, process speech to text, and then fill in a worklog the way we expected. Just press this button and then you can...
And then just tell it what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi BusMan. Today I've been working for Cranio Innovations on test job number 1. I wrote some code and tested it to make sure that it worked. I did this from 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. with a 30-minute break.
Cool. So now you can see the prompt that you gave. The speech got converted into text, and then we sent this prompt to ChatGPT and it gave us the data in the form we expected to have. I think the string pattern matching algorithm needs to be improved a bit. That's where it didn't match. If we can make some sort of internal database which serves as a learning mechanism for this, then probably we can avoid those minor mistakes that happens once in a while.
When we first started Element, there was really nothing available in the market that could do what we wanted it to do in terms of billing clients. So we went through items that were available to users of MyOb, which is our accounting software. There were all sorts of, apps and things that you could use, but none of them really fit the bill for us. So initially we started using Excel spreadsheets with macros and all these sorts of things. And once we got up to about 5 employees, it just became too hard. We were managing, reams and reams of spreadsheets, and it was taking hours upon hours to do billing for 5 employees. It just wasn't feasible. We decided to take the plunge and develop our own tool to use. So we use an API that basically feeds the information into MyOb, and we got a developer to spend a couple of months working on our own program, and BusMan, which is Business Manager, was born. We used that initial version very successfully for quite a long time, but as we've added more employees, the system has just gotten very slow. So we've tasked the software team headed by Ravinder to come up with what we like to call BusMan Pro, where we can have things working a lot faster, making them a lot simpler for our employees to use, so they're actually putting in worklogs rather than us having to ask them to put them in all the time. By integrating the GPT layer over the top, we're hoping that it's going to be a really quick process and people are going to be able to do it on the fly. They'll be able to just quickly talk into their phone or their device or whatever it might be. Hey, this is what I did today. And then it will populate all for you.